Hare Krishna, I am Arush Saha of class 9 science, and today my topic for presentation is atoms. Clash of Titans, first video of the series. In this early concepts, first Democritus suggested atoms are indivisible unit of matter in ancient Greece. Scientific advances. Dalton defined elements by atomic weight. Mendeleev created the periodic table. Model developments. Thomson proposed the plum pudding model. Rutherford discovered the nucleus. The first model of atom was made and proposed by Thomson, which was of plum pudding. It was inspired by a watermelon. Like the watermelon has its background red and some seeds in it, blackish seeds. Similarly, Thomson had taken that idea from watermelon and said that the red area of watermelon is compared to protons and the black seeds are compared to the electrons of an atom. Then Rutherford discovered the nucleus. In nucleus, he discovered that nucleus is a part which is in the middle of the atom. It has all the mass of atom is in nucleus only, and the mass is because of mostly neutron. Key to cosmos, the second video. Innate mass energy equivalence. Einstein's E is equal to mc square revealed mass and energy are interchangeable. Nuclear fission discovery. Hahn and Strassman first split uranium atoms to release energy. Atomic bomb and beyond. Manhattan Project developed the bomb nuclear power harnessed for electricity. Third video, illusion of reality, quantum mechanics. Quantum theory. Planck introduced quantized energy in 1900s and atomic model. Bohr described electrons orbiting in discrete levels. Uncertainty principles. Heisenberg showed limits in measuring position and momentum. Wave function. Schrodinger's equations describes wave-like electron behavior. Entanglement. Particles linked instantly across distance against classical intuition. The Standard Model particles and forces. Fundamental particles are quarks, leptons, and bosons. Forces in nature: strong nuclear, weak nuclear, electromagnetic, and gravity, which is not included in the video, and Higgs boson. It was discovered in 2012, explaining particle mass. Model still struggles to include gravity and dark matter means it is not a full made model. It is pending now also. Atoms in the universe, from star to life. Stellar nucleosynthesis. Stars forge heavier elements through fusion reactions. Carbon's role: unique bonding, enables complexity essential for life. Water's polarity, crucial for dissolving and transporting molecules in biology. Atomic basis of DNA. Atoms store and transmit genetic information. These are all the use main some of the main use of atoms in the whole universe. The enduring mysteries. Despite advances in atomic science, many questions remain unanswered. We still seek to understand the nature of dark matter and dark energy, which dominate the universe but elude direct detection. Direct detection. The integration of gravity into quantum theory also remains an outstanding challenge for physicists. Clash of Titans, atomic theories emerge. The question of atoms began with early studies on steam and gases, sparking curiosity about the nature of matter. In this sentence, it is related about that time. Before that time, nobody was interested in atoms. They thought there is no value of atom and we are wasting time by researching about atoms. But after after seeing the steam and absorbing it, we when the scientists observed it, then they thought that yes, atoms should be studied, and we can find more about many things if we study about atom. Atoms are incredibly small, measuring about one tenth of a millionth of a millimeter in size beyond what the naked eye can see. It is very small that if we do one tenth of millionth of a millimeter, millimeter is already so small, and we are doing its millionth part, and from that millionth part we are taking its one tenth. We can't even see. It is so small. By 1910, Manchester became the world center for atomic physics, attracting leading scientists and groundbreaking research. Manchester in 1910 became the world center for atomic physics. All the scientists who wanted to research about it and discuss anything from any scientist, they came to Manchester to meet each other. Meet each other. Scientists fiercely debated competing atomic models, which ultimately shaped the foundations of modern physics. Atomic scale and energy emission. Scale shows how tiny the nucleus is compared to the electron's orbit, revealing vast empty space in an atom. Matrix mechanics was developed by Heisenberg and others as an early quantum theory describing atomic behavior using matrices and quantum states. For this scale, in the video it is told that if for football or volleyball is the if we consider the nucleus is the size of football or volleyball, then half a mile away from that volleyball or football will be the first orbit of the electron. If the nucleus were football sized, yes, the same thing is said here also, an electron's orbit would be half a mile away. Copper emits green light while when heated, illustrating atomic energy transitions. Light colors provide insight into electron energy levels and element identification. Metric, yes, it's the same. Last point, it is said light colors provide insight into electron energy levels and elements identification. From light colors we can easily identify the element and its energy level also. Some fascinating facts and milestones. Like we saw in this slide, this copper emits green light when heated. Similarly, sodium, when it is heated, it produces yellow light, and when lithium is heated, it emits red light. Quantum jumps and Schrodinger's wave equation. Quantum jumps represent sudden changes in an electron's energy state. Schrodinger's wave formula models electron behavior as a probability wave. You can see his equation here. It is written in letters, or that's why it is a bit difficult to read. Next slide, we can see its real formula, how he wrote in the blackboard or when he really invented it. Quantum jumps. Electrons abruptly move between energy levels emitting or absorbing light. Wave particles duality. Electrons exhibits characteristics of both waves and particles in atom. Schrodinger's equation describes probability distribution of electrons replacing classical orbits. His his this equation really helped to for the distribution of electrons and replacing classical orbits. Here, this is the formula made by Schrodinger. There are many formulas available in Google. Here, there are many formula like this. This is the one. Here we can see h square by 2m. This is also a most probable Schrodinger's equation nowadays, and these all are the equations as compared here. And here my presentation ends. Thank you. Hare Krishna.